Hi everybody, it's me and baby. Hi, it's me and baby. So what I'm gonna do today is and I'm going to get the baby's heartbeat. Let me put a little bit more. Got some gel here. My camera looks a little wonky. There we go. Get some gel here. It's not that cold. It's not cold like the one at the doctor's office, but they be putting a lot on there. I don't need a lot, just a little. All right, so here we go. First, I put the Doppler on my stomach and then turn it on. So this is what it looks like turned on. As you can see, that's my heartbeat. The 94, 101, that's my heartbeat. Let me actually. This baby. I don't know if y'all can hear it.